How to change Yahoo Mail password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your Yahoo Mail password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing our Yahoo Mail password is actually quite simple. Open up the Yahoo application over here, then just make sure to sign into your Yahoo account. Tap on the three lines option located at the top left hand corner of the screen here. Then from there you want to simply go to the option called settings. Then once you go to the settings option, go to the option called manage accounts. Then from here you want to simply go ahead and then tap on account info. Then from here go to security. From security, just make sure to enter your phone's PIN or verification. Then once done, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll find an option where it says password. So you can just tap on the change password button here, enter the new password that you want to change to, tap on continue to be able to change your password. That's all it takes to basically change your Yahoo Mail password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.